everyone. So I'm going to do a very quick introduction to Padlet and how to use it. It's basically kind of like a collaborative board, depending on what format we might use. But all it is I'm going to set up a space for us to either share art, have discussions, and provide a space for you to comment on each other's art and ideas. Yes, we can do this in the chat and Jamboard and stuff like that, but if you haven't noticed, our elective classes are really big, and I'm hoping Padlet will be the platform that prevents some lagging. So I'll go over the directions for this Padlet during our live class, but go ahead and feel free to read it if you want. This tutorial is purely for how to use Padlet. So I'm always going to provide you a link. When you get that link, either in the chat or if you open it up ahead of time, you'll be sent to a space that looks like this. There will be a title, some description instructions for you to read through, and depending on the purpose of this Padlet, you'll make a post that will include an image, maybe your artwork, maybe some inspiration artwork, or maybe just your thoughts and ideas. And sometimes you'll have the ability to comment on each other's work, and sometimes it'll just be a like or something like that. But this is something we'll try out. If it doesn't work, we won't use it anymore, but if it works for all of us, that'll be great. It's pretty simple, so let me move my face. How to make a post. So if you look at the bottom corner of your screen, there's a little plus sign. When you hover over it, it gives you a little pencil so you can add a post. Or you can double click anywhere on this board and it will show you, or it'll pop up a little like note for you to type in. Your title should always include your name in it, period, because we will be collaborating with all 3 classes most of the time. But it's just safer to include it. So Miss Boy, we like a comma, period, 6, 7, 8, since I'm in all 3. And then you can write anything you want. Right underneath the title, if you're more of a visual person, you can upload a photo to help share your ideas. You can also share a link, even a drawing. However you need to share your thoughts, whatever is more convenient. You can even record. If you don't want to type everything, if you just want to say your ideas and thoughts aloud, you are totally welcome to do that. So explore these options. Just make sure you're being school appropriate and following whatever norms that we come up with together as a class during tomorrow's class on Wednesday. So this is how you make a post. I'm just going to type in hi. That's it. Pretty simple. Include your name in the title, first name and your last initial, and your period, always. And then share your thoughts below, and the instructions will always be at the top, and I'll always have an example post for you to look at too. More instructions for this specific assignment will be given tomorrow, but this is how you use Padlet. You don't need to make an account. You can type things in without an account. That's why I need you to include your name. Okay? Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and I can do another brief tutorial during class tomorrow. See you then.